Yes, so I got this comment yesterday and this was my reaction. And once you get rid of them, forgive them and forget them. If you don't forgive and forget, you're gonna stick to that particular situation. It says, never fight with a pig. Because if you fight, then you're gonna get dirty and that pig is gonna like it. Well, welcome beautiful people. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about hatred. Definitely, there are lots of negative people in this world, in this earth, and you are maybe encountering with those people every single day. But today I'm going to give you some beautiful, amazing tips so that you can also get rid of all that people from your life and live your life happily. When you get some criticism, that might be sometimes constructive criticism, okay? Because with that constructive criticism, you can be good. However, there are people who are going to give some criticism just to make themselves feel good, just to say their thought, just to impose their belief system on you. Those kind of comments you gotta get rid of first. Okay, now what will happen when you are making a video, when you are saying something and when you are doing something that eventually meet some people's expectations and does not meet some people's expectation, and that expectation is created by those people only, and when that expectation does not meet, those people get upset of you, and because of that some upset people choose to go away from the situation, but some people choose to spit on your face. Now if I come to spitting on your face, then there was a beautiful experiment happened, and it was like this. A bunch of people were called and they were asked that what if some person comes and spit on your mom's face? How will you react? And most of them said that we'll ask that person, is there anything going wrong in your life? Definitely there might be something wrong going on in that person's life, but that doesn't make that person will spit on your mom's face. Is this justified? No. That person have no right to spit anyone's face, no matter how bad things going on in that person's life. And that is why you can never let anybody spit on your face. If you have some kind of a person in your surrounding, in your life, then you gotta get rid of those person as soon as possible. And once you get rid of them, forgive them and forget them. If you don't forgive and forget, you're gonna stick to that particular situation, and if you stick to that particular situation, you cannot move on in your life. And the main point is, time will not stop for you. Time will keep on moving. If you stop in one particular point, you're gonna lag behind. That's not the ugliest part. The ugliest part is when you stuck in a particular place, you end up fighting with that person, and when you keep on fighting with that person, there's a beautiful quote, I just want to say that. It says, never fight with a pig. Because if you fight, then you're gonna get dirty and that pig is gonna like it. So the same thing is gonna happen with you if you keep on fighting with that particular person. You gotta forgive that person and move on ahead. Now, in order to avoid all that kind of a person, you gotta improve your standards. That is the main objective of this video. You gotta improve yourself so high that the people who are spreading negativity cannot reach to you. If they will scream even, that sound will not come to your ear. Now I'm not talking about being rich in terms of money, being rich in terms of spirituality, being rich in terms of maturity mentality. If you are being rich and if you are going so up that the scream of all those negative people will not reach to you, you're gonna find yourself an amazing state, and that is going to give you a super positive peace in your life. Let me give you a beautiful example. Once Gautam Buddha was passing through one village, and a lot of people came to him with a stick in their hand and they start scolding Gautam Buddha. They kept on scolding. Buddha listened to them with a smiling face. After they're done, they asked Buddha, what's wrong with you? Why are you smiling? Then he said this beautiful statement. Just previous village, I was passing by and there were lots of ladies came to me and they gave me sweets. I didn't eat them. What do you think happened to those sweets? Yes, they distributed among themselves. Now you came to me and you started giving me these negative words. I didn't take them. What do you think? Who took them? Obviously, you guys. Every single time when you don't accept some negative set of people what exactly happens is they actually end up getting that seat in their mind only. It doesn't reach to you, it doesn't hamper your emotion, it doesn't hamper your mental state, it hampers their own mental state only. Now here's the beautiful fact: if a negative person don't affect you, then eventually that negative thought in that person's mind will destroy its own mind only. So let those negative people destroy their own life just by not listening to them, just by making yourself so like so not strong, like so superior than them, not by just having the feeling of being superior and then again taking care, like again thinking about all that negative stuff they are telling to you. Literally be so superior, literally feel so superior that all that stuff will feel you like a kiddish thing. You don't even think of all that stuff. That is the point you're going to master your life. Mind your friend, this is certain that negative people will come into your life, but you can choose to not to listen to them. You can choose to feel mature. The main problem happens when we try to make friends with thousands of people. Definitely we do that. We want more, and because of that we end up finding a lot of people in our life, and those people, some of them are good, some of them are bad. We only go to find those people to whom we can give something good, because at the end, if I'm expecting something from someone, that person has the same expectation from me as well. So I'm going to make those friends only to whom I can give something, or to whom I can provide some value, and eventually I can trust those people. So you just only need 3 to 4 people in your life as friends, as true friends. Rest of them, just maybe leave them as connections. Don't let them come so close to you that they can hurt you. They're definitely gonna say you a lot of things about it, but you gotta care about only those 3 to 4 person in your life, because they are the person who know much better you than anyone else. Those people can handle you, or those people can motivate you, those people can make you happy in a lot of situations when you exactly need them. And apart from that, if you want someone to be your life partner, then also you don't need to find 1,000 of people. You just only find one person. And there are a lot of people in this world. You have the choice and you gotta find that one person. Bingo. So I hope you have got something out of this video, and if you have got it, then please appreciate it by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. I need your support. Did you get me or not? Absolutely. Thank you for subscribing this channel, and hit that bell icon as well, so that you will get notified to every such video that will improve your life and make you a person unshakable. Thank you for watching.